folks, welcome to MadOverInsurance. This is Ram, co-founder and director. People say we eat, sleep, talk only insurance. That's why we are MadOverInsurance. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our social platforms Instagram, LinkedIn for more interesting updates on insurance and customer experiences. Good morning all. Over past many years, surveys conducted on CXOs across various large organizations has thrown saying cyber risk as the highest risk across all industries. We at MadOverInsurance, collaborating with cyber risk and insurance company Cybersophy, is conducting a workshop on 14th October 2022 afternoon 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Indian Standard Timing. We have Mr. Atmaram, insurance expert, Mr. Vasu, who is a COO and a CISO of Cybersophy, and guest speaker, Mr. Sashanka Pemaraju, who is a head IT and IS, Indian School of Business. Sir, can you elaborate what topics are we covering in this workshop?
Thanks, Ram. We will be understanding in this workshop as to how cyber criminals attack the IT infrastructure using malware, ransomware, denial of service attack. We will also understand how does a distributed denial of service attack differ from a denial of service attack. We will understand what is the motive of these cyber criminals. Once this IT infrastructure is attacked, what will be the costs involved towards restoration of data, towards ransom payment, towards fines and penalties, costs involved in root cause analysis or the forensic analysis, what will be the business interruption costs, and what will be the liability towards third parties whose data may have been breached. Each of these aspects will be dealt in detail by two cybersecurity experts, Mr. Vasu and Mr. Sashanka, both of whom have vast experience in this area. In fact, Mr. Sashanka is the IT and information security head of one of the globally respected institutions and has won many awards. Mr. Vasu advises large organizations on cyber security and is involved in implementation of controls to reduce the cyber risk. His team also runs a security operations center, SOC, which helps clients to monitor, prevent, detect, investigate and respond on real-time basis to cyber threats.
So one question that bothers insurers or the brokers is how to arrive at limit of liability under cyber insurance and how to decide the number of days to be bought under business interruption section of cyber insurance. Is this workshop going to cover these two aspects?
Ram, there are no real easy answers to this query. It's a highly technical query. It would require a proper assessment by cybersecurity experts to scientifically arrive at the range of expected losses after a major cyber event. Mr. Vasu will explain the universally followed FAIR methodology. FAIR stands for Factor Analysis of Information Risk. Using this methodology, he will guide us in terms of how we will be able to arrive at the numbers that we are talking about in terms of how much cyber insurance limit of liability that the client should be buying. In addition, your question was related to business interruption. Again, it would require lots of discussions with the client by the cybersecurity experts, but they will be able to arrive at, based on these discussions, what is the number of days of indemnity that the insured should be buying for the business interruption risk.
So, cyber insurance underwriters have one concern while underwriting for small and medium enterprises. Since they do not have CISOs and hence they are unwilling and unable to fill the details in the proposal form, how can the underwriter arrive or assess the cyber risks for small and medium enterprises, sir?
Yes, I agree. For the small and medium enterprises, since they cannot afford a CISO, it's very, very difficult to get authentic information, even if we get information through a proposal form. The advantage we have is Mr. Vasu's team has been involved in handholding the SME clients in filling the insurance proposal form or the questionnaire. In addition to this, they have a mechanism of risk assessment, what is called as the outside-in assessment, which will be based on the company's URLs and can be done without any additional information from the clients. This can help cyber insurance underwriters, it can help cyber insurance brokers, it can help cyber insurance clients understand their cyber risk posture and also identify critical action items. In this workshop, Vasu will also be sharing with you a sample risk assessment report, and it will actually give details in terms of the score that the clients will get and also what are the critical action items that needs to be addressed immediately to improve the cyber risk posture.
Sir, an important element being covered in this workshop is cyber insurance. So what can you elaborate, like what are covered under cyber insurance?
Cyber insurance policies vary from insurer to insurer. The coverage differs, add-on covers differ, clauses differ, support in claims that the insurance company gives to their clients differs, exclusions also differ. For example, under business interruption section, there are some insurers who are offering coverage for net profit. Some insurers are giving coverage for gross profit. Some enterprising insurers are offering coverage for gross profit as well as extra expenses. This is just one example. We will be critically examining each of these aspects during this workshop so that insurance sellers and insurance buyers as well as brokers and insurance underwriters will find it useful to understand what are the various forms and coverages that are available in the market.
We believe the above workshop will be helpful for buyers and sellers of cyber insurance. Insurance brokers, underwriters, reinsurers or agents and large and small organizations facing cyber risks will feel this workshop very helpful. This workshop is being conducted in Microsoft Teams on 14th October 2022, Friday from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Indian Standard Timing. Registration fee for this workshop is 1800 Indian rupees plus GST, and for foreign participants it is $30. So we request you and your clients and your friends who are interested in cyber risks to attend this workshop and gain good knowledge and very good interaction from our experts and CISOs. Thank you. And for more details, you can go through the below description under this video.